Parents, I just wanted to show you real quick on how to turn in any Google Slides. I have found a few interactive Google Slides that I want to show you and that I'll be using in the future. Especially actually on Monday, the students will be doing a butterfly life cycle one, and I kind of want to show you what that looks like and how to turn in. So this is just like a rough copy. It'll be under, as usual, it'll be under our date. It'll be labeled science, and so on. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit the assignment, hit view assignment, and then the Google slide's going to be on your right. So you're going to click it. And then your child is going to go through these slides and it's going to review about the life cycle of a butterfly. When you get towards the end, it's kind of cool. Your child is able to move these pictures and put these pictures in order, which is really nice. There is a matching one as well. And you're just going to complete all the assignments. Now, once your child is done, what you're going to do is they're actually just going to exit and then they're going to hit the turn in button. And the turn in button just notifies me that your child's completed the slideshow presentation. And, that's pretty much it. And I just wanted to show you that quickly. It'll be the same procedure if I were to give you another Google slide interactive notebook type thing. And that way you can just turn it in. And that's it. All right. Thanks, parents.